Jose's got a big one. Look at that. Look at that wake out there. Woo-wee. Come on, bro. Who's gonna call it? Who's gonna call it?
It's a soft shell.
That's my old boot I lost last summer.
5-pounder.
Sergio's saying 5-pounder. Get that bell off.
10, I'd say 12 pounds.
He's on that Hellcat. Hellcat Revenge.
5. That's the one I just caught. Oh, yeah. Does anyone want to get that?
All right.
That was a nice one. See a pull off right there. What do you mean, bro? Nice little female right there. Small mouth. I already threw that bitch out. Where's the grippers at? Back of the truck.
You don't need no stinky grip. Let's go.
Jose releasing his beast. 15.68 pounds going back into the depths.
Where's the net? Let me go grab the net.
He's gone, bro. He's gone. He's back up. There he goes.
Scrubbing the belly against the bottom.
There he goes. He gone. Back into the depths. Hell yeah.